Let's begin with the basic operating procedures. Before operating the Anthony Magnum Railtrac liftgate, walk around the vehicle to make sure the area into which the platform will open is clear, as well as the surrounding area into which any loads may fall. Then, go into the cab and make sure that the vehicle is securely braked. Then, turn the power cutoff switch to on. Straight trucks generally have this switch inside the cab, and we strongly recommend this option. Anthony also has a power cutoff switch located on the pump box. Turn on this switch as well. Check the capacity decal for the liftgate, located on the side rail near the liftgate control switches, and make sure you do not exceed this weight. Remember that the rated capacity is the load plus the lifting device, and this capacity applies to the total load being lowered as well as being lifted. If the decal is missing, you'll also find the capacity listed on the serial number plate. Also near the liftgate control switches, you'll notice the operating instructions decal. We'll follow these same procedures in this video. Refer to these steps at any time you're unsure how to operate the liftgate. To begin, release the two runner latches. There's one on the side of each column. Release the street side latch first, then release the control side latch. The runner latch decal shows the proper direction to engage and disengage the latch. If the latches do not release, the hydraulic system may have bled off hydraulic pressure while stored. If so, activate the up switch until the platform is in the fully raised position, and then release the latches. Now press the down switch to lower the liftgate. The Magnum Railtrac has a safety catch feature on the platform in the event that the closer cylinder would lose hydraulic pressure while closed. Notice how the latch blocks catch the bars on the platform as it's lowered about 4 inches. When this occurs, simply raise the platform and then press the close switch until the platform is fully closed. The liftgate should now lower properly without trying to open. If you're going to position the platform for dock loading, lower the platform straight down by activating only the down switch until the platform is below floor level. When finished, push the up switch to return the platform to its stored position. If you're planning to position the platform for normal loading or unloading, first press the down switch until the platform clears the platform latches, about 8 to 12 inches down. Again, make sure the area is clear, then press the open switch to open the platform. After the platform is fully opened, press the down switch to lower the liftgate to the ground and then release the switch. To close the liftgate, press the up switch and raise the platform to about 8 to 12 inches from the bed of the truck. Then release the up switch. Next, press the close switch until the platform is fully closed, then release. Now, press the up switch until the platform is fully raised. Cycle the gate up and down, open and closed until you feel comfortable with its operation. The recommended speed for a safe and smooth operation is 5 seconds for opening and 5 to 7 seconds for closing. If you need to adjust the platform speeds, open the pump box and follow the directions on the speed adjustment decal located on the side of the hydraulic tank. The speed is adjusted using the 2 needle valves with adjusting knobs located on top of the valve manifold behind the cartridge valves. The opening speed is controlled by the valve on the right. The closing speed is controlled by the valve on the left. Earlier models of this liftgate have adjustable valves installed in the hydraulic line, also located inside the pump box. Now that you're ready to use the liftgate, we want to remind you to make sure not to lift or lower more than the rated capacity. Remember to add in the weight of any material handling equipment, such as a pallet jack, which you may be using on the platform. Place all loads as close to the center of the platform and as close to the center of the vehicle sill as possible. If you use a pallet jack, engage the cart stop and lower the load onto the platform. You can do this easily by placing one foot on the ramp and using your other foot to release the stop. A couple of precautions to remember. Never bounce the platform by pushing and releasing the switches abruptly, as this may cause undue stress on the platform or other components. Also, never operate forklifts on the platform. This liftgate was designed to lift cargo only. Reverse the process to unload cargo. Here's something unique to cylinder-type liftgates we'd like to point out. Some liftgates may have a tendency to lift one side slightly quicker than the other. This is usually due to air being trapped in the hydraulic oil, and a small amount of variance is normal. When you cycle the liftgate to the truck floor level, rephasing or platform leveling will occur. Once the platform reaches floor level, continue to power up the platform for about 2 seconds. The liftgate should now be properly leveled. Don't continue to run the motor, since excessive running may cause it to overheat. The Anthony Railtrac is equipped with a gear-type flow divider to control leveling. However, if excessive unevenness persists, check to make sure the hydraulic fluid reservoir is full. Maintaining proper fluid level will prevent air from being drawn into the oil. We'll show you how to check the oil later in the preventive maintenance section of this video. If air does get into the system, it will normally take a few days to work its way out during normal liftgate use. To secure the liftgate for storage, you want to make sure the platform is held firmly against the upstops. Return the platform to the fully closed and raised position. Then set both runner latches. Don't intentionally bleed off any hydraulic pressure so the platform rests on the latches. These were designed to serve as a safety restraint only. Finally, turn off the power cutoff switches in the cab and on the pump box. This completes our presentation of the basic operation procedures for the Anthony Magnum Railtrac liftgate. If you have any questions or are unsure about any part of the operation, check your owner's manual, contact your Anthony distributor, or call Anthony Customer Service at 800-482-0003.